Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you how I plan and decorate my agenda, so let's get started. So I have this notebook that's full of stickers. This is the best way I've found to organize them and be able to see all the stickers that I have. So let me know if there's another way that you recommend I store my stickers. So I got some inspiration from some of the stickers I found at Dollar Tree. Let me show you. They had these strips of like border stickers, they're called, and they had this like tropical theme, and I thought it would be perfect for July since it's summer. I also found these are like not a Dollar Tree brand. They are so awesome. I'll show you the little book. It's like a little book with different stickers. I'll show you in a little bit what they look like. So this one was my main inspiration. I love it. It says summer. It has a flamingo. I thought it was perfect. And it has more stickers right behind. So you can see a tropical theme too, and some letters on the back. So I also got these stickers. I'm not sure if I'll be using these. And some glitter paper, and this one is like a sticker paper and some washi. And I'll be using my planner, but you can also use these calendars that you can find at Dollar Tree. So this is my planner. I'll link it in the description box below in case you are interested in this one. So I'm going to start with the bigger stickers, which I think I should have started with the washi, but you'll see me place the stickers and kind of move them around since it's kind of hard to get it right the first time, but it's no big deal. They peel off really easily. So here I'm just trying to get all the stickers out and kind of see where I could place them, where they fit. So I decided to place this summer sign. I was going to do the top, but since it does say at the top monthly goals, I decided to put it at the bottom. I also added some stickers at the top. This one says enjoy summer, which is a perfect goal for this month. And I usually just plan for the whole month. I've been trying to get better at planning weekly or daily. It is getting a little bit hard for me because, you know, it does take a lot of time to do like a weekly or even a daily spread, but I'm trying to get there. I just wanted to share what I've been doing lately with my monthly planner, which I do have time to do that, and it makes me feel a lot more organized and kind of like inspired to get everything done for that month and not forget any important appointments or any important bills that I need to pay. And if you love Dollar Tree just like I do, you know that they have so many great options for stickers, and now with the craft your square section there are so many options. So make sure you check it out. If you've never been to Dollar Tree, you need to check it out because you can find some great stickers, even name brand, for way less. And you'll see me moving around some stickers, and these are the Jot brand stickers, and even though I'm peeling them off, they are not ripping, so they're pretty good quality. here I added some stars for 4th of July. And these are the name brand stickers that I found. I thought they were going to be all the same, but once I opened it, it's a little book. They have arrows, they're all metallic, silver, gold. They have some emoji stickers, which I loved because they're perfect since we have some birthdays here for this month in our family. So I decided to use those for that. And I'll also be using these stickers. I'm going to be adding some grocery carts. That's usually on Sundays when I do all my grocery shopping. And it also comes with some car stickers. So that's like a car payment that I have. So after it's all decorated, I go ahead and just add all the bills that I need to pay, anything else that I need to do so that I won't forget. And I use my Dollar Tree pens. These are awesome. They're glitter gel pens that you can find there as well. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any other videos. I do a bunch of DIY videos using Dollar Tree products. So if you want to check them out, I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can watch those videos. And let me know if you want to see these videos every month. And thanks for watching. Bye.